Gates open, they're off and racing, and Take 10 came out very well. Nuglalayob has missed the start very badly, and so has Kate at Amazing Pace. As they settle now, and Take 10 has raced to the lead from Cheska Run. About 5 lengths further back to Gold Sphere, followed then by Do It David. Then came Amazing Pace, followed by Reality Show. Well back in the field is Kate Alexandria, and Nuglalayob is way out of his ground as they run towards the back now, and Cheska Run has ripped away to lead by 2.5 lengths from Take 10 running second, 5 lengths back to Gold Sphere, followed by Do It David. Then Amazing Pace going around the outside, followed by Reality Show. And then came in behind them, well back at this stage, is Kate Alexandria, and Nuglalayob's got a big job ahead of it, but making ground now. And this one has skipped away to lead. It's Cheska Run out in front by about 6 lengths now. Cheska Run from Gold Sphere, Amazing Pace, then followed Reality Show. Now Nuglalayob is starting to come with a searching run and is whipping right round the outside. Inside the 400, Cheska Run in front, but Nuglalayob, who missed the start, is about to range up on the outside and tackle for the lead. And Nuglalayob has shot clear now. Nuglalayob is racing right away from Cheska Run, and it's going to be an easy win. Nuglalayob is racing down the line. That's a very, very smart performance. Close for second, give it to Amazing Pace, followed by Cheska Run, Gold Sphere. In behind them was Reality Show, Kate Alexandria, and then...
And there he is on your screens, the man of the hour, up-and-coming apprentice jockey Darwin Dubidupagar, coming back on entry number 8, Nuglalayob, unofficial winner with quarter clockings of 18, 24.5, 26, finishing at 28 for a total time of 1 minute 36.8 for the distance of 1,500 meters.
Kung gaano kalayo siya naiwan sa larga, ganun din siya kalayo nanalo.